This video is for Chapter 1 to demonstrate how to turn in your assignments. It's on page 52 if you want to follow along with me, and it's the skills check. I will not do a demonstration for all of it, but I'm going to do enough to show you how to get the assignments turned in. In Assessment 1, under Starting Up and Opening Folders and Programs, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tell you what you're going to do. The letters underneath each of those tell you the steps to take to do that. In number 1, you need to sign into your system. It tells you to turn your system on. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or press the space bar. Click the title for your user account and type your password in, and then press enter. This is assuming that you've already set up a Microsoft account. Okay, starting in number 2, start the Paint program. To do this, select the search charm, or if you're in 8.1, you should be able to just click the search button, type Paint, or start typing it even, and you should open the window. Okay, number 3, open the Documents Library window on your taskbar. So we go down to our taskbar. There's the Documents window, and mine will look quite different than yours because I have a lot of different document files. Display the Start screen and start typing Calculator, or click the search button. Either one will work. And click on to turn the open up the calculator. Capture a screenshot, and to do that, just press the PRTSC, usually located at the top right of your keyboard, and that captures a screenshot. Doesn't look like it did anything, but it did capture a screenshot, and so we're going to go to Word. And if you don't know where your Word is on your tiles, you can type in Word up here on the search screen and find it. And so I want to close that one. Shouldn't have had it open. Okay, I'm going to do a new file. First, I'm going to type the file name. Let me make this a little wider so you can see. So I'll type this file name, which is C01A01, and I found that in step 5. And then I'm going to type the name of this assessment, Starting Up and Opening Folders and Programs. And then underneath it, if you do Control V, or you can go up to paste, home and paste. But if you just do Control V, it should put your image in there. And then enter. And then I would start assessment 2. Minimize all windows to the taskbar. And that's just by clicking the minimize button. And notice I had to do that with my Word document as well. I am going to leave it open. Or you can also click the show desktop, and it will just it will take you back to the desktop without you having to minimize every window. Redisplay the documents window. I'll do that by clicking here. I didn't close it, so it's still where I had double-clicked documents. Press Alt-Tab and go through each one of them. Alt-Tab just cycles you through. There's the Paint. There's the Calculator. There's the Word. That's my video. Don't worry about that one. And that's my desktop. And back to where they wanted us to be, which is where the Documents window. Drag the Documents Library window to the top of the screen to maximize it. Notice when I drug it up there, it clicked to the top and maximized it. Point to the Paint button on the taskbar and right click the thumbnail, and it says to maximize, but you also just click on paint and that automatically will maximize it. Almost. Click the Paint's Windows Restore Down button, middle button. It doesn't minimize it totally, but it does restore it down. Capture a screenshot by pressing print screen. Save it as, and then submit it to your instructor. So you don't have to save it, but go to Window, your Word document, and type in that file name C01A02, and it is called Working with Open Windows, and paste that screenshot in there. And then you will continue doing that through assessments 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You will not do the group activity. Note also that on some of them you do not have a image to capture, but be sure you work through all of them so the next image will be correct. And plus these will be on your quizzes each week. End of this video. Wait a minute, before I end the video, I do need to tell you, then save this assignment 1. I would organize my folders in your name. If you have not organized your folders yet, you should, so that you will be able to find them. You should have a folder with our course name, like I have one for OECS 207, and in it you should have a Chapter 1 folder where you would put your completed assignments. And then you would save that. Be sure you know where you're saving it so that you can upload it, and then you'd close it, go to our course, and upload it to the correct assignment box. Now, end of the video.